Today is 9/1/2011. What are you doing, Troy? Who are you texting? Who's horny?
Is that a horny code?
Who are you texting?
Your girlfriend?
Ooh, lucky. She don't even text me. What are you doing, buddy?
Pissing in the wind.
Fuck you! Did you put Phone Buster in there?
No.
Ladies and gentlemen, look at the mean ass motor we have here. 5.4 liter 3V Triton. Let's go bug Christy. You want to?
No.
Why? Okay. Nothing. What are you doing? Huh? What'd you call me?
I'm reading.
What are you reading?
The book. Go away.
We're gonna read the book with you. See, spot, run.
No.
Oh.
Go away.
Just say hi. Go. Go like this. Look and say hi. Okay. Go to sleep, little baby. Go to sleep, little baby. Roger's smoking a cigarette and Daddy's getting a can of dope. Can of dope? Yeah, I meant to say dip. So, Troy, what drives you to come to work every morning? Asshole. Tell us.
A paycheck.
We're doing a CPS documentary. We have a few questions for the viewer.
We got bills to pay and women to lay.
Look at the size of his pythons. Look at them. Look at them fuckers. How many dogs have you strangled with those?
We'll try with you first, I guess.
Fuck you, dude. Go ahead, bitch. He just tried to rape me. God.
He said he had never strangled any dogs, but he choked a couple of chickens.
That was just sick.